All right, everybody, this one's real short and sweet. Bring your thumb with you when you shift positions. It's really common for a player when shifting positions to do something like this and leave their thumb where it was. Now, your thumb's not going to be able to move with you as you slide most of the time. Sometimes you can, but the thumb's probably going to get a little stuck. But after you slide, you need to bring the thumb up. It gets really noticeable on some of the bigger slides. You're fretting a note all the way up here. Your thumb's all the way back here. It's doing absolutely nothing to help you back there. You might as well just do this with it. It's the same amount of support. So you bring that thumb up. This is called thumb support. Bring the thumb with you when you come up the neck. And it's okay if it doesn't get there immediately. So you can see that it's catching up. I'm using these excess strings. Check out my video on my 𝐁𝐴𝐿𝐴 page about the excess strings that is probably going out around the same time as this video. But they are so slick, I don't know where to stop. I can't seem to hit a destination fret because they are so slick. So I keep sailing past them and then trying to not sail past them. And this could take me a while if I keep using these strings. Okay, I already did the string testing video. I need to stop doodling on these. I really like these strings, so check out the video on that. Anyway, that's what you need to know. Bring your thumb with you when you shift. Don't leave it back there because it's doing nothing to help you. And when you shift back, that's probably going to happen naturally. You won't be able to help but bring your thumb up. But when you shift up, gotta bring that thumb or else your fingers have no support, and that's a bad day. All right, bye everybody.